Hey there! Welcome back to another gadget-packed video where we explore cool, innovative, and downright handy products that can make your life easier. Whether you're upgrading your space, simplifying chores, or just love a good tech find, you're in the right place. Let's dive into today's lineup and see what's worth adding to your wish list. Tired of hunching over your laptop all day? The BeSign LS3 laptop stand is here to rescue your posture and your neck. It elevates your laptop by 6 inches, giving you the perfect viewing angle to reduce strain. This stand fits laptops from 10 to 15.6s, including MacBook Air, Pro, and many others. Plus, it's super sturdy, made from premium aluminum alloy, and can hold up to 8.8 pounds without wobbling. It's easy to assemble, keeps your laptop cool with its open design, and folds flat for easy storage. Keep your desk organized and your posture in check with this sleek stand. Okay, we've all been there. Your favorite sweater looks like it had a fight with a lint monster. Enter the Butyral Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover, your new best friend for battling fuzz and bobbles. It works on sweaters, blankets, even your couch. Got a pet who loves your furniture? Okay, this won't fix that, but it'll clean up the aftermath. With adjustable settings, sharp blades, and a safety lock, because accidents happen, this gadget makes you feel like a laundry superhero. Your clothes instantly refreshed, your mood way better. Ever wanted to hang something without committing to a hammer and nails? These Command small, clear wire toggle hooks are like magic for your walls. You get 10 hooks and 12 adhesive strips that hold up to 0.5 pounds each. Perfect for lightweight stuff like keys, calendars, or jewelry. And the best part? No damage, no sticky mess. Just clean the surface, stick it on, and you're good to go. Need to remove it? Just pull the strip down, and voila, your wall stays flawless. Whether it's painted walls, wood, tiles, or glass, these hooks handle it all. Just a heads up though, don't use them on wallpaper or for heavy, valuable items. Your antique clock deserves better. Easy to use, easy to remove, and super handy for organizing any space. Definitely a game changer for renters or anyone who loves rearranging their space. The 9stars automatic touchless motion sensor trash can is here to make your life easier and cleaner. You know those moments when you're holding something gross and just can't touch the lid? This trash can's got you covered. It opens with just a wave of your hand, no need to touch a thing. Plus, the motion sensor is smart enough to avoid accidental openings from pets or kids. Goodbye, trash spilling disasters. What's even better? It seals odors in and keeps germs at bay. Perfect for the kitchen or anywhere you need to keep things clean. And if you're tired of constantly wiping fingerprints off the lid, no worries. The fingerprint-resistant base has your back. So, if you're looking for a simple upgrade to your kitchen, this touchless trash can is an easy win. Just grab 2 D batteries, make sure they're alkaline for the best performance, and you're all set. Got shoes everywhere? The Kitsur shoe rack is here to save the day. With plenty of space for sneakers, heels, or slippers, it's perfect for organizing your footwear in any room. Made with rust-proof metal tubes and durable fabric, this rack is built to last. No bending or warping over time. Plus, it's stackable, so if you need more storage, just add another rack to fit your space. Setting it up? Easy. No tools needed. Just follow the simple steps and you'll have it ready in no time. Whether it's your entryway, garage, or closet, this rack is compact yet incredibly versatile. Is your closet a war zone? Let's fix that with these legging organizers. These space-saving hangers can hold up to 20 pairs of pants. Yes, 20, maximizing every inch of your closet. And don't just think leggings. These are perfect for jeans, shorts, scarves, hats, and even socks. You can finally stop digging through piles of clothes. The 360-degree rotating design lets you grab what you need in a second. No more endless searching. Plus, these wooden hangers look sleek and are strong enough to hold all your clothes without leaving marks, thanks to the anti-slip clips. It's the perfect balance of function and style. So, whether you're in a tiny apartment or a full-on closet makeover, these hangers are a game changer. Tired of cluttered countertops? The Kitsur dish drying rack is your new best friend. It's compact, measuring just 12 by 15 yet holds up to 10 plates, bowls, and glasses. perfect for kitchens with limited space. Made from premium stainless steel and with a plastic drain board, this rack is rust-resistant and super easy to clean. Plus, the rotatable water outlet directs the water right into the sink, keeping your counter dry. With a detachable cutlery holder and 4 non-slip silicone feet, it's the perfect addition to a tidy, organized kitchen. Ready to let a robot do all the dirty work? The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a game changer for cleaning. It vacuums, mops, and even washes its own mop pads. Yep, it's all hands-free. With 8,000 PSI suction power, it picks up hidden dirt and pet hair with ease, and its MopMaster 2.0 tech makes sure your floors are spotless without damaging delicate hardwoods. Plus, it detects carpets and lifts its mops automatically, so no more soggy rugs. The auto-drying and self-emptying features? Total time savers. And with AI obstacle avoidance, it'll steer clear of shoes, wires, and even toys, cleaning while you're busy doing literally anything else. Imagine waking up in the morning and your curtains just open themselves. No more fighting with cords. The SwitchBot automatic curtain opener is here to make your life a little smarter. With an upgraded motor, it can handle even the heaviest curtains, up to 15 kilograms, and operates super quietly, perfect for those sensitive to sound. It's as simple as hanging it up, connecting to the app, and boom, your curtains are now automated. Control them with your phone, set schedules, or even use voice commands with Alexa or Google Home. The future is here, and it's as easy as pressing a button. Need a little extra height for your bed? The adjustable bed furniture risers have got you covered. With 3 height options, 3, 5, or 8 inches, these risers give your bed a perfect lift, making it easier to clean under and creating extra storage space. Made from heavy-duty plastic, they support up to 1,300 pounds. No need to worry about stability. Just make sure to use them for beds only. When you're not using them, they stack neatly to save space. It's the simple solution for a more functional bedroom. That's it for today's Gadget Roundup. I hope you found something exciting to add to your wish list or make your life a little easier. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome finds, and let me know in the comments which gadget caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gadget hunting!